Welcome to Luston Fun College. Today we will talk about preposition of places. On. The rat is on the chair. Between. The rat is between the chair and the box. Under. The rat is under the chair. Inside. The rat is inside the box. Behind. The rat is behind the chair. Near. The rat is near the chair. In front. The rat is in front of the chair. Next. The rat is next to the chair. At. The rat is at the door. In. The rat is in the house. At. The rat is at school. At. The rat